Welcome back, guys, man. It's been a long time since I did a car video. It's your boy Sledge Student 38, man. We outside with the car for the beach, y'all. It's a big day, man. Oh my God. I got something else to go with the car. Yeah. Tire stickers, baby. I ain't even gonna show y'all what they look like until they on there. But yeah, man, stay tuned for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell if y'all new to the channel. And yeah, stay tuned, man. We're about to jump right into this. I'm gonna install these boys myself, y'all, so yeah. All right, guys, so I had to get some acetone because they don't supply that with the kit, that little tire sticker kit. Let me explain what tire sticker kit I got. Actually, I got the permanent ones. I'm showing them right now, actually, because I gotta talk about it. I got the permanent ones. It came with tire glue, and I bought some tire rubber bright. So, excuse the wind in the background too, because I am using my GoPro and it's capturing 4K and audio. I got a bird back there hating on me. But yeah, so the first step, man, I got a little card that tell you the steps on here. That I keep showing. This tells you that you gotta clean this with acetone and get all the debris and wax and all of that. That's why I had acetone and that's just, a rag or whatever. So that's all I'm doing right now. So yeah, of course, some acetone on the rag, and I want my stickers to be right here. I'm gonna use this as a where I placement on each where I put my permanent stickers. I wanted this where it to be. I'm sure it's longer than this too, but this is where I want to place it. Start off with, I'm wiping this with acetone. I actually got to put some on, but this ain't gonna cut it. All right, y'all, I made it on the other side of the car finally, cleaning them still. But yeah, I'm about to speed this up for y'all. Once I'm done cleaning this, where I want to place my rubber permanent tire stickers. Yeah, y'all gonna see how that is, and leave comments down below. I need all y'all opinions. Oh, look at the Daytona over there too. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. So I gotta gently clean the back of these tire stickers. Yeah, with some acetone. So I'm gonna just put them right here and get them all lined up a little bit. I probably won't do all of them at once. So yeah, I'm just wiping it all down with the acetone. I got them all. Got it. I'm doing one tire at a time, guys. I'm trying to keep it nice and organized. Don't want to be all over the place. It just seems right. Got them all wiped down. Now I'm about to go to the next step. All right, so yeah, I gotta apply the adhesive, and I think it supposedly runs out real fast. So I'm gonna try to apply a minimum amount, and without squeezing too hard. And I use the spread motion. Try not to do it too hard. Now let's see how good I can place this thing. Freehand, baby. Freehand, baby. No. Okay, too far back. No. All right, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna let this stuff dry, and I'm gonna come back and get the finished touch later, like how it looks and everything. And yeah. All right, guys. So I'm revealing it, taking it off after I put it all on. My GoPro died, so I had to use my phone. But basically, we just gotta take this plastic piece off, and once you do that, you gotta seal it. You gotta seal it all with the glue. So once the glue that you use to put them on, you gotta seal it with that same glue. Like what I mean by sealing it is outlining each letter. That's some more in depth. And then some of these letters got like plastic ones. Alright guys, I had to seal this off. It was getting messy on one of my tires. It still came out good, it just got a little dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean it later. But yeah, I just did that one. And then I'm about to be almost done with this side. And then after that, you gotta let it dry. Mainly, you just gotta mainly let it dry. So I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours. We'll come back, see how it all held up in the heat. Get a piece for y'all, man. Man, look at this work I had to put in to get this done, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I definitely gotta let this sit in the sun for a little bit, let it dry, see how it come out. And when it's done, like in like a few hours or so before it gets dark tonight, I'll come check it out. I'll drop this video on the first thing in the morning. And yeah, I'm gonna get this done as fast as possible. All right, welcome back, y'all. It's later in the day. This is my big reveal. I had to glue them down after I peeled the stickers off of them. I'm gonna be on the coast there while we walk around the car. I know y'all like seeing that. Pretty good, came out real good for me to do this myself. I mean, I guess that's the only way you can do it, and it's not the markers; it's like permanent where you gotta glue it on. But yeah, we're gonna walk around it. See how it came out, y'all. Only one side came out a little rugged because I misplacement, but you can't even tell on camera. Look, those on there. Everything came out good, y'all. So yeah, if y'all like this video, man, stay tuned for all my videos, y'all. I got more coming, man. I definitely had to wait for these tire stickers to come. It took like a week, but I haven't dropped the car video in like 2 weeks. But yeah, man, I got some more coming, y'all. More heat, more fire, man. More DIYs or whatever, and all that, man. So yeah, hit that notification bell. It's your boy Section 238, man. Watch all my videos, I appreciate the support. And yeah, man, we gonna try to go up all 2020, the rest of this 2020. But yeah, peace. Y'all see you soon.